2017 to 2019 GMC Acadia USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 GMC Acadia. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB auxiliary port right here. It's actually not too bad. You might want to lift the lid up right here to give you more space to work. You're going to want to get a plastic pry bar interior tool. This is plastic. It won't scratch anything in your interior. You can move your shifter if you want to get more space. Just be careful, have the e-brake set on, and don't, roll down a hill or nothing. We're going to come to the side of this and put this in between the USB port and the console and just kind of squeeze it and turn it. And it should push out a little bit like this. Once it's out, you're going to take the hook side of the interior tool and just kind of work your way around and pop this out. It'll come out like this, hopefully, for you. And then we're going to grab it and just gently pull it forward. The wire harness is pretty long, so you have a little bit of room to work with. Disconnect the black connector by pushing the center tab. A small flathead might help with this. My finger was too fat to get it out. I had to use the flathead to push the center tab, release it. On the gray connector, squeeze the center tab and wiggle and pull it backwards. It could be a little stubborn, but be patient. Here's the USB aux port right here. This is my old one. There is a part number on a sticker on the side of the USB port. They sell these on Amazon. I'll link them below. They actually sell the genuine GM one, which I recommend you get. But they also have a bunch of aftermarket ones that are half price. I will link many options below, so check that, as you can see here. And then on the actual GM Parts website, I checked this part number, and it is the right part, and it matches the 2017 to 2019 Acadia. Pretty much all trim models. So once you have your new one, all you gotta do is plug it in. Plug in the gray connector first. It has a connector within a connector, so it could be kind of tricky. Just make sure you're patient and you line it up properly and push it in. It should make a clip sound and then lock in place. And then we'll push the black one in, the black connector. And I forgot to mention earlier, don't let these wire harnesses fall back into the dash, because they like to kind of suck back into the dash after they're disconnected. Push the USB port into the console with the same orientation it had before, and you are good to go. That's how you replace your USB auxiliary video.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. And these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out.